Alright guys, so as you can tell, it looks like Christmas. It literally looks like I just unboxed all my Christmas gifts, and that's what it felt like. I'm getting older and like I'm having fun going to the hardware store. But yeah, we're taking it serious now. I don't know how to use any of this stuff. My first time ever using it, but we're gonna learn. We're gonna find out, and that's basically the whole point of this channel. If you guys didn't watch all my other attempts, there'll be like a little flag or whatever thing on here. You can click watch that video if you do want. Basically, I've tried a few things. If I knew about this thing in the beginning, I would have just went to this, because this for sure I think is gonna work. The main ingredient of what we'll be cooking today is this welded stud puller. You just weld on these little like stud things, and it comes with the slide hammer. I got this from Harbor Freight, super sick, $100. And then I got this $14 angle grinder, and then got this wheel just because we're gonna grind away like the paint, you know, around it. You'll see. And then I got an orbital sander. I've been wanting one of these for a little while. And then I got some Bondo filler and then some primer. You guys will see the use of these and all the steps I'm gonna take. You know, got some sandpaper, of course, and some safety gloves. I watched a few videos on people doing this kind of same thing, so I have like an idea of what to do. Before you guys even open this box, please, please, please disconnect your negative terminal from your battery. Otherwise, your car might catch on fire. See my battery terminal disconnected from there. Put some zip ties just so it can hold it, so it doesn't like end up like slowly creeping over there and touching it. That thing is serious business. I don't know where my safety glasses are. We're just gonna make do with what I have. And that just happens to be a pair of snorkeling goggles. Works the same, right?
Sometimes it's only millions, but sometimes you on my mind. All those curves, I can't forget them. You are perfect by design. Bittersweet with all the moments, like tequila with some lime. Only time I ever lied was when I told you I was fine. Hoping you could ride, baby, come slide. Yeah, it's been a minute.
Alright guys, so now I kind of grinded out every part that, you know, I think I'm gonna want to weld, which is gonna be like here, here, like along the whole crease really. And then now I'm gonna get my orbital sander, just kind of feather this out into where I marked. Orbital sander time. Which end goes into here? Is this? Nope, not that end. Just that's how you get that in there. Bang.
Don't know how you do it, how you always on my mind. Baby, what you been doing, I can never let it slide. Playing with my heart, you been playing with my time. Headed to a ticket, I know how to stack mine. Rocking like a star, know a nigga gon' shine. I was lost for a minute, yeah. Pick me up, turn me around, now I'm found. Down with some millions, yeah. I like the way that sounds. Promise you that I'm the truth, baby. I ain't gotta lie. Ain't gon' do no back and forth with you. I ain't got the time. Know someone will take your turn. They been dying to be mine. I'm a young nigga in turn, but not even in my prime. Sometimes it's only millions, but sometimes you on my mind. All those curves, I can't forget them. You are perfect by design. Bittersweet with all the moments, like tequila with some lime. Only time I ever lied was when I told you I was fine. Let me hit it on the line.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. We're gonna take a tiny little break on this. So if you're here just watching to learn how to, you know, do all this body work, skip to this time right here. But if not, this is my daily, my Tacoma. Some of my friends hit me up and was like, yo, you wanna go off-road? And I never really get this truck like properly dirty. So I was like, yeah, I'll go. And I was like, you know, I'll show it on the channel too. It might be fun. Never made Tacoma content, so if you hate it, sucks for you. Quick little like overview. So TRD 4x4 2017. I got 17 by 8 method wheels on Nitto Ridge grapplers, 285/70 R17s, 285/70 R17. But yeah, let's head over there and meet up with the crew. Stuck out here. right, well, that was fun. Back on the street now. Time to head back to HQ, work on the E36. Okay, I'm back at HQ. So yeah, this is where we're at. Got a whole bunch of them in there. But what I think I'm gonna do is, I still need to pull a little bit. I'm gonna try to stick one more of these in between each of these dents and try to pull them out because they still need to come out a little bit more. Like, this would be a lot of body filler. Yeah, it wouldn't even be nice to put a ton of body filler on here. This is like half an inch of body filler.
I ain't gotta lie, ain't gon' do no back and forth with you. I ain't got the time, no someone will take your turn. They been dying to be mine. I'm a young nigga in turn, but not even in my prime. Times it's only millions, but sometimes you on my mind. All those curves I can't forget them. You are perfect by design. Bittersweet with all the moments, like tequila with some lime. Only time I ever lied was when I told you I was fine.
Alright guys, so this is all that I did. I say all like as if it's a little, but it's a lot. It's like 1, 2, 12, 13, and then like probably like 5 more that fell off and some even broke. So I think all in all, it's like damn near close to 20. Now it's time, I'm gonna trim all these off with my angle grinder. Yeah, make sure you wear your safety gear. Alright guys, so I really thought I was ready to like put Bondo on this, but after like looking at it, I feel like I could go one step further that might make it a little bit better. And I like stepped back for a second. I like really like thought about it. It is my drift car. Like, do I want to put more time into it, or do I just want to say fuck it? But then I thought, like, just like my rear bumper, I'm like, damn, if I would have just took that prep time just a little bit longer and taken it a little bit more serious, it would have came out like 10 times better. So basically from this line to this line, this entire sheet is bowed down. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick a couple of those weld things all along this line. Kind of pulled it, kind of straightened out a little bit of the rest on there. I don't know. If it didn't do anything, at least I can say I tried. I gave it my best shot. Basically, I'm just prepping the surface. I'm hitting it with soap and water, and then I'm gonna hit it with wax and tar remover. Do it like this.
Baby, I'm just playing. What was I thinking? What was you saying? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, you hate me. Sorry, love.
All right, we've given that a couple hours. It's now time to sand.
I'm just playing. What was I thinking? What was you saying? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, you hate me. Sorry, love. Sorry, babe. Wearing my heart on my sleeve, brought a lot of pain. All these drugs in my juice got me going insane. I'm always wanting more no matter what I gain. This money got me bored, shit don't feel the same. I'm whipping in this rave, all my pockets out of shape. Heavy diamonds overweight, she still love me anyways. Different fabrics every day.
Alright, so after sanding for what feels like 30 hours, I'm finally done with the 220 grit. I got all the edges like smooth. Yeah, so then now I'm gonna move from 220. It should be 360, but Harbor Freight only had 400, so I'm just gonna run with it. I don't know if that's gonna end up messing anything up, but we'll see. Yeah, pretty happy with how it's coming. Yeah, let's do it.
Baby, I'm just playing. What was I thinking? What was you saying? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, you hate me. Sorry, love. Sorry, baby. Baby. I'm just playing. What was I thinking? What was you saying? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, you hate me. Sorry, love. Sorry, baby. It had to come to this. I know it's meant to be.